That was weird. We are gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
Because we're stupid.
And mental. Don't forget stupid.
This is our second time doing it because the first time we had miscommunication. Okay.
Yeah, very much.
Ready?
Oh, yes, we did.
One,
Stupidness
two,
starts now.
3.
Don't even go off.